Hello friends. Today we are make the our program HMI macro and PLC dynamically data move using for temperature controllers, and for this purpose we need to use our PLC HMI 100, and this is my HMI. Next. Okay. Number one, how do we know our this program where we can use? Uh, Actually, this is the micro data transfer to PLC, move the value, or HMI micro data, move to the selected registered. This one we will be used, but right now this program I am using for my temperature controller zone setup, like thermoforming machine. The program first, we need the name. I'll click here, and this is my first name is uh, heater, sorry, heater zone 1. Input numeric entry button for data transfer. Address, I need internal memory. My address is 1. Okay, yes, that looks good. That's I will copy the both. Is easy this idea. Little bit down, and we'll change this one. This one is more with my value, and this value also we need to change. This one I give the number 100. Let's, yes, and value, maximum value I want to give here 350. This is my temperature maximum value. Duplicate. So let us slow because of go to general, and just select this is my equal space, and now also I want this one is similar one button is better to make duplicate. And width is 150 because I also took the copy. So this address we need to change here. And this address I will be give, let's 102. Then okay, and this is name we need to change, and our name is here. zone, zone number. This is my zone number. Here we need one another button. Momentary button. Value. We need to give the value. Internal memory, and this one I want to give the bit value, so 104.0. So this is bit 0. I will be on here. Up to here is our screen little bit is clear. Then okay, moving sign. Here I will be make one just so like here. This is my zone number 2. And this is my zone number 5. Sorry. This is our 5 zone. This is value and this is zone number. Means here we will write the data. Here we will write the zone number, this data, this value, which zone is transfer this data. Like here we write some values, then we keep the zone number and enter. This value will be go to our specific register. A little up is better. Let's our main another thing we need to be initialize one button here. And general message display. Okay, general message display. I took this one only for design, screen design, but should be I need to give some dummy value. So I will give one dummy value 700. This is dummy value. We will not use this value anywhere. And we need to make the size 130 and width height is 350. Okay, this is little in this case. This one also we need to be change the height and width. So this is 130 and this one I think is 20. is very small, looks like very small, so 35, a little better than before. This one we need to change something here. We need to write here the, okay, this colors we need to change. First is the third color is black. And then we need to check what's happened with black border. Okay, little bit darker I need. Solid. This button, this is our maintain button. I will give this one value from my PLC M20. Enter. But this button for, okay, configured here. And the design we need raised. Solid color we need. Change the color and I will keep the orange color. Little looks like good. It's not good because its size is changed. I want to be, okay, not a text, and we will go to text and change the size is 12, also is 12. I keep to below. No, 0 is color is orange. One, we need to change the color because it's, that color is better. The width we have 130. Because this is upside of this, our temperature controller. This is our temperature controller. This is button. What is the function of this button? This button we are put it here because if we need manually use this temperature controller, we can use and we will cancel this all zone. But when we are on this one, automatically what data we are save here, it will be appear. So let's, this temperature controller is nothing now because this is the only one just box. We need to add the number m momentary input number. We need to give the m, let's 50 and enter. Text no need, we need the picture. We'll go to our picture, 100 series, stretch all size, 1 also stretch all size, foreground I need the solid color, in 1 also I need the same black, and solid color I need. And this one I will transfer here. Now I need one eraser button. Not button, we need data input numeric entry. Let's make one numeric entry. First make size. We need same size. This I think we have 112, and height will give the 50. This one let's come here. It's easy. I need first the address. I'll give the address in word data. So my address will be start from 200. Enter, and value 350 from 0 to 350. Stylized, okay. I need the color. I select this green color. Sorry, background is black and foreground is green, and I need solid color. Now we need one numeric display. So numeric display, we change everything here. Display, actually I'm using in simulator, so I don't have the temperature controller actually in my lab. So we will use instead of temperature controller, we'll use one timer. So I give the value of the timer is T1 and enter. Then style, I want to give the style. I want to make this little bit darker color. I'll go to style. Choose this one. Now remaining we need one bar, graphic bar. So we'll arrange one graphic bar. This is graphic bar. Go to value. First this one 350, and this value, let's data value is D 300. And now the style will go from bottom, no, sorry, from top. Okay. And this is, we need raised color, we need red, because this is our entry, so this is red. Others solid color we need. Now I need scale. Scale I need 0 to 350. And also I need to change a little bit, colors need to be managed here. Yes, this one is on it. Now I want to be fix my scale here. Similar scale I want to be copy and bring here. What change we need here? We need one change only. The change is style. The change here we need to be go style and rotation 180-degree. Enter. This one I make copy and parallel bring here. Only first time we need to little adjust more. After that is not so difficult, because we will be make duplicate change, because this is my present value. So style is, I need green here, dark green. We need to change our also this one is not data, this is time. One already I tell you before why we are using timer here, because I don't have actual temperature controller. So this one also is a little bit need to change. I will be change here. Go to picture. This picture is not looks good to me. I will change one another. Off is this one and on is green. That one little bit better than before. There is one thing is missing this place. We'll put it country flag here. So I have already my country flag here. I will copy and paste. These all I will be make duplicate, adjust. So I will be select first and make duplicate. Here and I give the zone numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 because I have here is 5 zone numbers. So now this value we need to change is color of the text. I need here red because this is enter value, and also this one I want here maximum number 5s, and because I have 5 zone value color is red and okay. This one need to be checked. Up to here everything is okay, and now I want to give my text value here. This one is 3. Okay, just now is yes and right S3. In, in the center. Now what I'll do, I'll make copy this all set values, copy and paste. So here I have SP. I want to be changed PV. This is my present value. This is my set value. Everything is okay, I think. Good looking. White. I will change its color. It's very dark. So we need little lighter. And make little lighter color. Also, now we will start our macro programming. So we will go to macro and open our background macro. First we need to flag waving. So my flag register is internal register 555. So I will copy to value move to this one in 555. Now I will go to macro wizard, open. and we will go to our if command, if on. So our first if on command is our enter button. Our enter button value we need to make here internal, and this one 104 point, as I remember 0. Okay, but will be confirm again. Okay, close. We'll close this one. Yes, update. Okay. What is the value? This one we need to first memorize. Okay, value is 100 and zone number, that one is 102. Then our cycle will be complete. This one we no need because so we have maximum 5 zone. That's okay. Now we'll go to again our macro. That one just I was open to check what is the actual value. So first, how many zone we need to transfer the data. Here I have suppose five zone. If you have 1000, 100, 500, you will be enter also the same amount of the zone where you want to be transfer that data. Like I will transfer in 6 zone. Actually I have 5, but I will write 6. One is extra. There is no any issue. And my button value was internal register 102. Is correct? Yes. Okay, this is temporary temporary data move. This one value 6. And this data registered is $100. Okay, where was the 100? This is my 100 value. Okay, 100 value move temporary this 6 digit to 106 100 to this our zone button. Okay, then this zone button will be enter this data to our registers. How to register later on we will check again. I give my zone this data register number, internal data register number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here you can check. This is 1. Okay, this is the one I select already. So what I will be do here, I will move my data to my PLC first, because we need to make here one logic. Again, go to data transfer, move. Okay, my first value is source. My source is internal registered 1, and my destination is in the PLC data register 105. Sorry, this is my data register. Enter and update. So I need to Right again, I will be make copy. Overload, but I need this one. Why 4 I need? Because if my pump is on, then it will be work. This one 2, 11, this one 3. This is my data registered 110. This is 115. Open. Here also I need M16 is close. Cyclist. This is my push button cyclist stop. This is my internal data. In PLC data is 120 and my internal register data is 4, internal register data is 5 and this one is 25. So up to here we write already our all program. So this is our part 1. Enter. Let's see our part 2 because in this time we are done emergency and let's close and we'll compile, check. Is everything okay? No, we have one error. So let's check element address input. This input address because this is moving sign. Okay. Internal register and I give to 660. Enter. Okay. Will offline simulation. Emergency in case that time our auto cycle will be 10. This I'm here generate one move for data block. That's okay. One word. We'll so I will be check our everything in this word and after that I will be I will write some value 12 with the command of and transfer to data number 1. You will see. Okay, zone number 1. So 14, zone number 2, enter and zone number 3, I will transfer the 3, enter 4, so I will enter the 4 and 5 and enter the value 5. So let's here also I can write many choice we have which one we need. Also here I will be enter the 0 is 0 because we are not configured any zone as a 0 or I will be right here 6. Oh sorry because already I'm here at just 0 to 5 so I cannot write the 6. So we'll go to our PLC program. We will check what's happened there, how to we can write and how to we can use this all functions through PLC. You can check. For auto down we need, but until now it's not accept any data because my read address is not here. We are already right here read and write address. Close the simulation. Again I will explain you. If our sorry you can see here write address 200 and read address 300. So this first you will be check. This is my command. If $104 dot 0 is on, this button is our, if is on, the value of this button you can see here. Okay, so our this button is on, then our 100 this register data, this our address of this input, analog input address is 100 transfer to 6. This star 6 is sign of multiply, $6. This one is temporary data move to 102. Okay, what is the 6? 6 is our how many areas we need to transfer our data. If I have, suppose here is a 5 temperature controller, I can write 5, but I write the 6. If you have the 7, 8, 10, up to how much you need, you can write here. This data temporary move to 102 our this register. Then after this one, you can see here write address is 102. When this register data will become, here is 6, and we will give number, select the number of zone number 1. If I will be select 1, it will be go data here in 1. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This 5 zone here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the move command. This is our move command. Move command is my macro data move to my PLC data. Okay, this all data I move here. You can easily find this all details in manual in this part. Okay, please check this manual. We have the program I mentioned here is temperature controller, but unfortunately I don't have the hardware. So for present value, I will be use temporary timer to just only for graphics to understand. You can use the temperature controller properly. For this purpose, we need here some PLC program. Timer. This timer actually I need for analog input showing to you. This is our timer, and then I need the simulation start, move data. That is our simulation. It will take time. This is load the program, and here I need the one. We are waiting for start module. One normal open contact. That's good. So you can check here I will be used when my temperature controller will be start. This is for temperature controller number 1. VRKit there is already bit, which is VRKit here. This is M1. Okay, I will show you here is easily data display. This is M1. This is my zone number 1, temperature controller number 1 and M50. This is my address of the button. Here, number 1, my write address is 200 and read address is 300. This one also, my read address is 300 and green one read address is T1 and also here is T1. So easily I can be check here this button for select the zone of data or operator. By operator if need, operator can be changed here or by master can be do it from here. So this is the zone 1 data, zone 2 data. There is our address M20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So we'll go here. This one is complete. Then this is T1. And here also this is M20. I think here is our address is M20. You can see M20 and D105. This is my macro data, which is I moved to PLC already. D300 is my output, and I will be make copy and paste. Everything is same, only just this one is make normal close, and this is my data is D200. Here I will be move the data D300. Similar, I will be copy this all and then paste 1, paste 2, 3, 4, 5. So
one time is complete. Filling bulb also is on.
Sorry,
When
we have little
it is complete, we'll see. Again, conveyor is
control A
again.
and here will be
Sensor
move.
will give pulse of the sensor.
This is my second one and this is third.
Here should be some line and message
Fourth
with sensor
and fifth.
coming. Sensor out.
So here my value is D300.
See here.
Sorry, D300. This one, the second one is 51
Filling down.
and T2 D305
Filling down and sensor also. When sensor is on, should be sensor on. So I want to be give one another, no problem. Where is my
let's now
image?
I complete my program here with the
Program
5 temperature controllers
here.
and now we go to online. Already I on my simulator and then I'll go here and start offline simulation. Okay, so first I will be enter my value is 150 in zone number 1 and then I press here. 150, you can check this one. 150 is move already, but it will not work because of my zone data is off. Okay, this is my zone data. You can see it's now immediate. You can see here. This is my set value is showing of this zone data. and operator, maybe operator need 250. So let's 250 he set and 150 I setting. My setting is here. So next my 260 in number 2 temperature controller. Okay, that data is moved. Number 3 have 165.
This is water bottle I'm bringing here.
This is number 3. Again 170.
Down
Number 4.
this water bottle.
Number 5 175. Number 5.
So control C.
This all data by master control we are set already, and operator he will be change the value about it. Like 255, 260, 265 and 270. How it work? When I will be switch on, because I don't have the actual temperature controller, I'm using timer for this only understanding, for our understanding present value and this graph. So let's on this one. You can see this one already working. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, let's here I will be on my zone. So when my zone will be reached, this all values. That's okay. Now I will be off my zone. This is 250. This is 255, 60, 65 and 70. But again I'll be switch off because my value is already is down, my set value, so it will go down. When I will be on this one again, it will be start to rise the temperature. So this is our function how to we can use through the masters, and this is by operator, or you can say the engineer and operator. Engineering value, this one you can be set by another page and give access to the only operator can change sum of values. Many things you can use the drive data here. Only not temperature controller. Many items, many types of data we can move. Okay,